What's up guys, today we're going to unbox new impact with the drills, everything I got for so cheap. Amazon is expensive. Let me show you what kind of tools we got. This one, I have a Milwaukee one, but the Milwaukee one is getting old. It's almost 5 years. I get service, but nothing happened, nothing didn't change it because it's already 5 years. So we got this one for almost 700 with tax maybe 30. But if you want to buy this one alone, this only the impact, it will be 600 on Amazon. Only the tool, and maybe this one too. I don't know, I'm not sure. In Amazon it's different. If you get this one, maybe it's 100 something. So this one is almost, this tool will be maybe around maybe 800 maybe in Amazon, and then this one is not included. This one is everything very good. 700, good deal. I'll put the description down below where I get it from. It's very cheap. So now we're going to unbox it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's more coming. I'm going to give you update on the garage very soon. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe again. So let us see what's inside, and then I'm going to compare with the Milwaukee one, but that one's too old. Let's get inside. All right, here it is. What is inside here? Okay, this one. This one's different than other brands because this one I'm going to change it. It's good. I don't know. Find out. This one's my first impact one. After almost 5 years later, my Milwaukee one, she's dead anymore. She stopped working too. We don't need manual. So let us take the drills. One battery over here. Let us put it down here. The other side for now. This one I believe is the socket. I like the sockets because it's different. You're going to put on the impact. That's good news. I mean, it's different than other brands. So that's the thing I got it too. When I do axles, sometimes other brands doesn't do anything. So this one hopefully works. I'm going to test it. I cannot compare with the Milwaukee because it cannot be the same. This one's so different. So let's do this over here. All right, the impact's inside here with the battery, everything. Okay, this one I believe the tool when you take it off. Okay, so on Amazon, only this one they will give you only this box, I believe. 2 batteries maybe. The rest of it they don't give you. Then this one too. So when you get this one, I don't know how much it is, but it's different too. So this one's cheaper compared to other places. So here's the impact. Let's see inside. Okay, so there's a manual how you're going to take it out, something like that. Here it is. Oh, it's heavy, obviously. Cool. Let me show you my old Milwaukee one. I mean, compare, this one's big boy, obviously. This one's small boy, but this one's too old, almost 5 years ago I got it. This one's bigger. Oh, it's very good to have this kind of tool. Very good. Let us put the battery. We have 3 batteries. That's good. Take it out and see. It's not that much heavy. The batteries too. I mean, this one's new generation compared to mine. Wow. I'm going to try it. Can't wait to try it. Okay, so what is this one? Oh, maybe for the charger. There's only one charger. We have 3 batteries. Where are you going to unplug it? Oh, there's USB. I don't know, USB-C or USB. Okay, only USB-C. But I don't know where you go. Okay, so over here, down here, to unplug it. Let's open it and see. I mean, I never saw over here. This one's my first time to see. There it is. Obviously, it'll be made in China, I think. Yeah. We have tool. This one, let us take everything out and see. And then I don't want to lose this one for the how we're going to take the tools. Okay, me take everything out. Alrighty, we have it over here, everything. Let's unbox all of them. And then I'm going to unbox the sockets too. Let us do this one. We don't need this one to unbox it, but let us use it either way. We have more Milwaukee, we have that, so I guess it's cheaper if you get them all of them at the same time. They're cheaper, so that's why I get it everything. It's too, sometimes it's good to have, or I can sell it separately if I want to. Doesn't matter that much. Or I can sell? Yeah, I can sell it. There's small battery and big battery, two of them. Alrighty, manuals. Okay, let us unbox the socket one. Just put it away. This one. I'm going to unbox this one too, but don't need that much. So it's different other brands because this one you can put it the socket down here without any the adapters. I like about that part. Nobody have that kind of stuff. Only this brand have it. All right, here it is. And then they have a, I like this. It's not going to messy on me. So I can put on my toolbox. My toolbox is a little bit messed up right now. I'm going to organize that one very soon. Stay tuned for that video. So when you work on the axle, let us say 30, there's no 30 for sure, maybe 33. So sometimes other brands you have to use different one, but this one's here. I don't know how you put it in. It's like this, and then you have to use a tool like this. You're going to insert it. Why doesn't get in? Okay, like this. So other brands, you're going to use this one. Where's that one? Oh, where did you put her? This one. So this one goes first, and then this one next. So I like this one more. For sure, this one, I wish they have it much more bigger, 33, 34, 35, because some axles, they're bigger than this. And then I think you have to use the tool or what? For this one to take it off. I think you have to use that tool, yeah, down here to press it down here. It doesn't matter that much, but yeah, I like this thing. And then so other brands that have this one over here to make it slow, I like this. I don't think it's I never saw this kind of on electric one, but on air everybody have that. Yeah, I like it. Perfect tool. I'm going to try it tomorrow. I'm going to do that. Today is like this. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Alrighty guys, now we're going to try the tool. The exhaust bolt down here. Let us see. This one's not that much strong, but we'll see. So it is full. It's not full battery, but it's almost. There's 3 bars. Let's try now. I didn't torch it without torch. My torch is already broken, so let's try without that. Oh, this for sure works. I mean, my old one, I'm going to try it, but if I try it, it might break it. So just let us do that, and then we're going to. Oh, it doesn't get over here. Okay, well, it doesn't get too. I didn't go angle over here because I'm going to put some extension down here, but I cannot use this one. This one's different than other one. Let us do the other one and try it. Hopefully it will work without breaking. Sometimes it will break, especially exhaust bolts all the time. This one, somehow it didn't break, somehow. If I use maybe the Milwaukee one, it might break it, who knows. I want to try it, but I don't want to try it at the same time because if I break it, I have to drill. Ugh, there's too much work, so let us change this one. So you have to use the tool to take this one out. I'm going to show you too. I have to spin it and then find the locks mechanism over here. I have to find the bolts. Then bring the tool and I'll show it to you. Okay, let me show it to you. So going to this tool, I showed it to you last time, this one. Maybe going to take this axle over here, going to insert down here, take this one. Can I show it to you? It's out. Yeah, you can use a screwdriver, no screwdriver, maybe a pick if you lost this one, but don't lose it. And I'm going to insert this one down here, like this. I have to match the inside, otherwise it doesn't get in. And then when you push it, this one, there is a ball down here. You have to push it in, otherwise it doesn't go in. Now let us take it apart. We will find out if there is a difference when you have extension for sure. It's too short still. I don't expect it to be much more short. I have to use different one now. It was too short now again. Okay, let's try again. It will come out easily. Okay, without anything have issues. All right, perfect.